Hey guys, Block Brown here. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Leatherman Fuse multi-tool. Here's Leatherman. The case it comes in is a nylon case. Yeah, so let's open it up. Open the case up and pull out your Leatherman fuse. Yeah. On the side here, it's got tape measure. Not sure if you can see that, but it has a tape measure. And here's the tool releases. Yep. Alright, let's open it up like you do a regular pair of pliers. Here's the pliers. Pretty good pliers. They're really strong for like fishing. There's also wire strippers on them. Right there. Alright, rubber handle for better grip when you use the pliers. And, yeah, so there's a knife. It's really sharp. I like that knife a lot. Screwdriver. And the other screwdriver. And then, yeah, on the other side, there's scissors. Another screwdriver. And a bottle opener. Yeah, great tool. I got it for $50. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.